understand or gauge what is the expectation from your end as well. So I have given a brief introduction, but any one of you, if you can help me your experience a bit. So someone needs to validate what ChatGPT is giving the answers. A human person is required to validate what answers we are getting from ChatGPT. Similarly, from GenAI, whatever they are doing, a human is required.
How many? Maybe 10%, 50%, maybe interested for the PhD and other higher studies, but most of them want to go for something. And here I thought that is a conglomerate of different schemes.
Today's lecture. So, you are knowing this is the design and experiment based presentation, and this is already discussed. Before going to the actual topic, let me first introduce my college, which I represent. I am
say no, I will not control the plant from here. I will control the plant 100 meter or 200 meter, means central control. So in that case, through the Ethernet, it is connected with this one is the plant level, central control. I will give you the sketch later. But let me say, in a simple, suppose every plant, there will be a different section.
Generated by the invention of computer and development of IT industries also. Now in the present era, we are in a fourth industrial revolution, and also I have seen the third to fourth transition during my total 25 years of experience in various types of foundry and forging industry. I have conducted so many audits, both online and offline, and I am